Hi, everybody. So, as you know, the group 80,000 hours is called that because that's approximately how long anybody spends in their job throughout their entire career. And that group's purpose is specifically to help people, young people, focus on the jobs that can have the highest impact. So, if you have a social cause or an environmental cause or religious cause that you're trying to make the world a better place, you might want to think about how your career can help do that. So if you read their literature, and I encourage you to go to the website, it's quite good. One of the jobs that it says can have the highest impact is research. And here in the Fast Lab, that's what we do. So every single person in this research group has the potential with the projects that they're currently working on to have enormous impact globally. And so if you know that you can make a difference in the world, if you know you can be a positive change agent, you know you can have a large amount of impact. One of the things you really want to think about when you're doing your research is how fast it is. Research in general is a race. And it's not just about, who invented what first or who discovered what first. Like those are important and you win your prizes for that. But in our group, because everything that we're working on is about making a sustainable future, every moment that we delay literally kills people. Our work in solar energy is meant to reduce the amount of fossil fuel use, which is tied directly to carbon emissions, which is then tied to climate change, which is directly related to the number of fatalities that we're going to see in the next century based upon that climate destabilization. The faster you get your research done and published and in wide use, the faster those technologies will take hold. And it doesn't matter whether we're talking about resilient food, so we're feeding more people, solar photovoltaics, so that we're powering society in a sustainable way, or in open hardware, so we're making the tools for science and medicine available as widely as possible at the lowest possible cost. So I encourage all of you to go as fast as you can in your research. You're never going to get yelled at by me for moving too quickly. The name of the research group is FAST, and it's for a reason.